Hi everyone. So I'm back with the landmark judgments on Negotiable Instruments Act. Have already done a part on this in which I've discussed three most important judgments. Now we are going to discuss three more important judgments on Negotiable Instruments Act. So let's begin. So Jai Lakshmi Natraj versus Dina and Company, it is a 1996 judgment. In this, the court adjudicated the role of managing director under Section 138 and his liability under Section 138. The court said that even if the managing director is not involved in the administration of the day-to-day activities of the company, still he can be held liable irrespective of the fact that he was unaware of the affairs of the company. Then let's go to another very important judgment, which is Modi Cements Limited versus Kuchil Kumar Nandi. In this case, a three judges bench of Supreme Court decided that even if a notice is issued to stop the payment of money before the payee has deposited the check with this bank, the act of crime under Section 138 has already been committed. Now, once the check is issued by the drawer, it must be presumed that just because a notice is issued by the drawer to the drawee or the bank, it will not stop action under Section 138. So, the draw basically the holder of the check can still take that action under Section 138. Now let's move to the next very important judgment, which is Messrs Meters and Instruments Private Limited and another versus Kanchan Mehta. So a bench of the Supreme Court comprising of two judges made some points clear regarding the dishonor of the check. Directions are also issued for speedy trial of such cases under Section 138 of the Act. Now, this is very important point that speedy trial का provision दिया गया था इस judgment में. And it was also said that modern technologies should be adopted to enable a speedy trial of this cases in under Section 138 of the Act. So these were the three most important judgments of Negotiable Instruments Act, and all the very best. Do very well in the examination.